welcome to today's vlog, or this week's vlog. Thank you for all those who followed us cooking last time. Bit manic, wasn't it? Jan's been asked if she'll do it regularly. I don't think so, somehow. Will you?
No.
No.
Oh God, no.
There might be some cooking of some description in future vlogs, but maybe not as manic as that one.
No, that was really hard to
Follow?
follow and try and go at the same speed as somebody else. And no, I didn't put all that butter in.
No, there's a couple of outtakes that we didn't include because that was like half an hour, that vlog, and we thought it was a bit too long, but people have said no, it whizzed by in seconds. So
I didn't when I was doing it, like 2.5 hours.
Yeah. So we were going to put some outtakes at the end, but we decided not to, so we'll put those outtakes in now.
Look at that, it's 50 grams of butter. That's a lot.
No, what are you doing?
You told me to do it.
No!
Well, I'm doing
at
it.
the end.
Well, sorry, it's gone.
To the bottom of that, Jack, go.
In the old days when I was doing loads and loads of cooking, I used to put my last job.
Oh dear, thank goodness that bottle of wine was where it was.
I just couldn't believe that. What a wally.
I've forgotten to close the door and I forgot the GoPro camera was looking right at me. Oh dear.
Oh, not much to see, not much to see.
Thank you. It can fill a pram twice. Anyhow, enough of the naughty jokes. Today we've come for our daily exercise down to Foxton Locks. Now I'm sure you've probably seen Foxton Locks a few times, maybe not from the towpath side, maybe from the boating side. We're looking at it from a gongoozler side because obviously we can't move anywhere. We probably will be coming this way when we start going because we're going north. I think that's our plan, isn't it? So
yeah.
We will be turning right out of North Kilworth Marina and going up the Leicester section, up the Grand Union Canal. So we will end up at Foxton. For those of you who don't know Foxton Locks, it's quite unique in the boating world. It's 10 locks in total, made up of 2 sets of 5 what they call staircase locks. So one lock leads into another one. Yeah?
Yeah, I can't remember the last time I did one of those. That's going to be fun, isn't it?
See, now originally I'm from Leicester, which is obviously where
me duck.
Leicestershire, me duck. And we used to come here regularly for days out, especially on a Sunday, and watch all the boats, and we were proper gongoozlers in those days. And this is probably one of the first flights of locks we'll be doing when we leave North Kilworth Marina, when we actually start cruising, because we're going to be heading north. Won't tell you exactly where we're going, but we're heading north-ish. So yes, this is the Grand Union Canal Leicester section. The locks were constructed in 1810 and took about 4 or 5 years, and then because it got quite busy and got congested, because it's quite a steep setup, you can imagine 10 locks, it's quite a steep way to get from top to bottom. In 1900 they built something called the inclined plane, which is, instead of going down gradually in locks, they pulled the boats back up and down in caissons. The boat
Like
goes in,
trolley things.
yeah, fills with water, and then as one comes down, the other one goes up. If you've seen the Anderton boat lift, it's similar to that.
I wouldn't like to go on, not the Anderton, I wouldn't like to go on those
But
caissons.
we'll show you what's left of this. In the 2000s, I think there was a plan to reopen it because I think it wasn't a commercial success, to be honest, and it only lasted about 10 years. And then the inclined plane sort of disappeared into nothing, and there's been talks about restoring it. Obviously can't do anything at the moment and haven't done for the last couple of years, but yeah, we'll have a walk around and have a wander. So these are the pounds in between locks. Pound. Well, it's only one, yeah. In between 5 of the locks. Gives you a little bit of space to pass.
Morning. No, good afternoon. Must get up earlier.
This is the Canal Museum. Inside there you can actually see how the locks work, you can see how the inclined plane works, bit of history, but obviously because of COVID and everything it's closed at the moment, sadly, and you can't look through the windows, Jan, because there's nothing to see. It does say actually on the boards outside, hopefully the museum restrictions allowing, that it will be open Easter 2021, so if you're heading this way, why not pop in and have a look. I think that's an old working boat, but it might be is that what they call a sail away? I'm joking. So this is the Foxton inclined plane, but you can also see from here the distance from the top of the locks to the bottom of the locks, so you can see it's quite a distance. It would take boats a couple of hours, or it still does take boats a couple of hours. It would take working boats just as long in the olden days to get from top to bottom, hence the reason why the inclined plane was constructed as a way of speeding up passage through what is quite a busy terminus here on the Grand Union Canal. But like I said earlier, it didn't have much of a commercial success and only lasted about 10 years. Hope you enjoyed that little walk around Foxton Locks.
That was lovely.
Yeah.
Why
Nice.
are you looking at me like that?
Nice and refreshing.
Oh.
Well,
Are you looking at the canal?
yeah, I'm looking at the
I thought you
canal.
were looking at me.
No. Looking at the old boats. Anyhow, as usual, if you've enjoyed the video, don't forget a thumbs up for a like. Subscribe if you haven't already subscribed.
Yes, please.
And click the bell icon.
Ding!
And YouTube will notify you next time we upload a video. In the meantime, stay safe everybody. Happy boating.
Bye.
Bye for now.
Bye.